What's up, guys? Thought I'd show you how I put a stereo system into my RZR for around $350. I have a double den Android radio in the dash. I would not do that again. I'm sure it won't last, but it has lasted for a little bit, a few months. I put some Rockville speakers in the pods that I got from Home Depot. These are like $20 or no, $5. I'm sorry, $5 for these pods. I had to cut them around there. I put some sound deadening in them. This is the driver's side one. So then I do have an amplifier behind it's on the back firewall behind the bump seat. I really can't show you. I don't feel like taking the seats out. But there is an amplifier, a Rockville amplifier back there. I got these Rockville Marine speakers pods, like they're called tower speakers or something. They mount to the rear bars. They sound great. I wouldn't say they're the best quality. I don't know how long they'll last, but they haven't broken off yet. Still there, wiggle, but they're there. But like I said, I only paid like around $300 for everything. Amp kit, radio. I think the radio was like $75. Got it connected to YouTube, some royalty-free music. Sounds like driving it. As you can tell, it gets really loud. That's like half volume, more than enough. And I have to remind you, I only paid like $300 for the whole system. To be honest with you, the only thing I would do different is the radio. I would not do a double den